This is how to download an OVERLEAF project. Go to OVERLEAF and from your project dashboard, choose a project you want to download, or you can create a new one. Let's say we will download this project Word. So you can see here a download icon. And if you want a raw file, just download that zip file. Or if you want a PDF, just hover to this PDF icon and click it. And it will download your OVERLEAF project as PDF. You can also open your project. Then you can see here download PDF. You can also download as Word. You can choose .docx to download. You can also export as Markdown and HTML. So this is how to download an OVERLEAF project.